In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Amazon discount codes. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are well known on what Amazon is. It's an online store where you can buy anything, like anything, and it's very popular. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how you can get discounts on your purchases. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and go to google.com and search up Amazon discount codes. So once you're there, you're gonna scroll down until you see a website. So in my case, I'm gonna be using this website, Redeem, as it says 70% off Amazon UAE promo code. So I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so once I'm there, I'm gonna go down. Alright, so here it's a coupon up to 70% off plus extra 15% off on men, women, and kids fashion. So let's say you're buying shopping clothes online from Amazon and you want looking for a discount, you can use this coupon code right here. But remember, it's only gonna work for people who are living in the UAE. For people who are living in the UK, they'll have a different code. So you can just search up and you'll get the designated code. So I'm gonna click show coupon. Alright, so this was the coupon fashion 15, which gives 70% off discount. So now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna show you a few more websites. So now there's this website, everysaving.ae. I'm gonna click on it. Alright, so here it says get up to 10% off new releases. Okay, I'm gonna click show coupon code, and that's the code. I can just copy and yeah. Well, I'm gonna go down. Okay, up to 60% off today's deal. So whatever deals are trending today on Amazon, you can get a 60% off. So you can just click get discount. It's gonna take you to the website because this doesn't have a coupon code. But let's see a few more. That's this one. Up to 40% off toys and outdoor display. So let's click show coupon code. And yeah, there's a coupon code you can copy. And you can go and continue to the site. And then yeah, you get the discount. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.